it? How's it? All right, episode 3 of Willie the Bully Adventures with Friends. Today, I've got Chris on the ride with me. He's behind the camera. And we've got Dutch over here who actually works for Triumph America. So,
yeah.
He's familiar with these roads. We're about halfway through, 3/4 way through. And how you feeling it?
So, first of all, I want to say thank you to Willie for getting us out here, because you know it's hard to get out on the roads sometimes you don't have all the friends and reasons and means to get out here, but luckily we've known each other for probably at least a decade plus and stayed in touch, and this is the first actual time that we've ridden together at all. And so, you know, coming out to roads, whether they're familiar or not, I think is a phenomenal experience, just to get out in nature and be with friends. So I'm having a great time.
100%. You know, and Dutch actually got into adventure riding before I did. So, and I was actually seeing some of the videos he has been making and everything. So as I was getting into this, I was like, you know, last year I told you guys before, I was like, man, I got to teach myself this. And then now, like you said, linking up with him and him actually being familiar with these roads and that, and we're getting the opportunity to show Chris. So far, it's been an awesome day.
Yeah, and I have to say he's been leading the entire ride and came up with the whole plan, and I've been in the back just nice and having a good time, and it's phenomenal. It's a real pleasure to be able to sit back. If a lot of times you're in the front of the ride, just to be able to sit back and let somebody else run it, and he's been doing a phenomenal job of just navigating the roads, making sure we have a good time, keeping the pace, and stopping at the outlooks and stopping at different spaces so that we can just relax and have a good time and just enjoy the trip. And I think that makes a big deal too. Some people push too hard and it can be too over the top when you think of adventure riding, but this is just the right pace for a good, you know, Sunday ride to get to see everything.
Awesome. Yeah, like you said, you know, I told you guys before, that first ride that I took Andy on pushed him to nearly close to 500 miles, 450 miles. I was like, man, I gotta rein this back in. Let me try and make a loop that can be just as a day ride. And Chris and I are actually gonna camp. Dutch is getting out of here once we get through everything, and he's gonna head back to Atlanta, and Chris and I are actually gonna end up camping the night. But that was the reason why I wanted to make this route. I wanted to make it so, again, guys that are inexperienced have fun, guys that are experienced have fun, just a really relaxed, get outside, have a good time. So we're gonna jump back on the bikes. Anything else?
No, that's it. Also, I'd say good mix of on and off road, and otherwise we're set. Yeah, it's beautiful today, so we're enjoying it.
Awesome. All right, see you later. How's it? All right, here we are, episode 3, Willie the Bully Adventures with Friends. On this episode, you're meeting Dutch and you're meeting Chris, my buddy Chris. We've known each other for a long time. And literally, do you mind me saying what your prior profession was?
Go right ahead.
Used to be a police officer, and I used to work, you know, I still work in the bar business, so got to become friends from them. Then he used to come out and obviously worked extra jobs and everything. Now he's a firefighter. So, and like I said, one of the things that he did when he was with the police department was he was actually on motors, which is the motorcycle division, department. How did you say it? Department?
Yeah, motors unit.
Motors unit. So extremely qualified when it comes to street riding. So has a lot of experience on bikes, cruisers, and crotch rockets. He's had crotch rockets before, and you got a Harley now?
Yes, sir.
So he's got a Harley now, but the adventure side of riding thing is kind of new to him. So today was would you say it was a first for you?
Oh, absolutely, it's a first. Yeah, it was absolutely a first for me.
All right, awesome. And then, like you said, like I mentioned the last time, you know, making this route, so, you know, a route that, you know, it's a pretty cool loop, you know, get done within a day. You don't even have to start that early, and it mixes up a good bunch of asphalt and Forest Service roads. And we wanted to go to the off-highway vehicle park, Wizenhunt, but it was closed because of a lot of rain in the area, so they closed it. But I don't know, we got to do a bunch of off-road, but I'm gonna let him take it away and just kind of tell them how you felt, man, being your first. And
it's definitely it's worth it. It was, I've seen it, thought about it, but when seeing Uli do his things, I was like, yeah, this is an opportunity, why not? And that's a great thing that he's doing, taking people out, giving the bike, the everything, pretty much just got to bring your clothes. But no, it's a good time. It's nothing that I even expected. I really didn't know what to expect. Riding, I am used to riding, but it's a different bike, so it's a different type of riding, but it's enjoyable. And being able to go from street to dirt to, just you're really not stuck anywhere. You can go anywhere you want to go. And we're at this campsite now where we just, we'll be hanging out tonight and camping for the night, and then back at it in the morning.
Yeah, rewind a little bit actually. So, like you said, I've always told you last year I was learning this, and then this year when I picked up the CRF Rally as a loaner bike to buddies, and through my videos and that, and Chris was one of the first guys to reach out to me. He's like, dude, I want to do that.
Oh yeah, saw that, and I was definitely taking him up on the offer for sure.
And like you said, what's kind of cool is what he said there, where he wasn't sure what to expect, and during the week he's like, dude, what do I need to bring? I was like, you just gotta bring yourself, man. I got the bike, I got the camp gear, I got everything. Just bring your riding gear, bring your helmet. If you don't have that, I've even got that I can lend you. But I was like, dude, just bring yourself, man, and let's get on these roads and let's have some fun. And there it is, man.
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely worth it. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of his kindness, his offers, and it's been fun. So hopefully no bears tonight. Uli's already lost one boot, if anybody's followed his IG information before. But we saw the signs are posted around here that they do have a bear visiting lately. So we'll see how tonight goes. Hopefully we'll be bear free, and all of our gear will still be here in the morning.
I'll make sure my boots are close to me tonight. But yeah, so Andy's already bought himself a brand new CRF 300 Rally after me just taking him for one ride. Already planted the seed in Chris's head, so
yeah, the seed's set, and there'll be research going on now. A toy I don't need, but it will definitely be used if I.
There's no such thing as a toy you don't need.
Yeah, very true. Very true.
There's no such thing as too many motorcycles.
No, that there isn't. That there isn't.
All right, that's a wrap. I'm gonna make my famous ramen noodles.
Looking forward to the ramen noodles by Chef Uli.
It's becoming a thing. So anyway, gonna wrap this up. We're gonna make some dinner, hit the sack, and man, I'm actually tired. I worked last night, so I'm pretty tired. We had a great ride today, and then be up early in the morning and just head back to the city.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Good times.
Cheers.
See ya.